Hey, can I tell you why you should want to work for DryZone? So here it is. When you come to work for DryZone, you will be working for one of the best contractors in the nation. We are not here to do business like any other contractor. DryZone is here to redefine the industry. We provide homeowners with a remarkable experience from start to finish. We believe in doing things right the first time, using the highest quality training and employees to deliver the best customer experience and offering solutions that we can stand behind. DryZone is a company you can be proud to represent. We believe employees are our most valuable assets and should be treated that way every single day. We strive to create a workplace where you will find great fulfillment in your work. Then go home and create a happier family, neighborhood, and community. So here's the bottom line. We want to bring out the best in you so that you can accomplish more than you ever thought was possible. If you want to be a part of this team that is redefining the industry, contact DryZone today.